Hello guys, welcome to Entrepreneur Z, and today I'm going to show you how you can make more NodePay points. As you already know, NodePay airdrop is coming very soon, and I've already made a complete tutorial about it. But there are some tricks in it that you need to be able to get more points. Okay, as you can see right here, it says emergency broadcast system. This is a Google form. Okay, and with this Google form, it's not just any Google form. If you fill this form, I'll leave the link in the description. If you fill this form correctly, you get a code. Okay, you get a code where you can input the code here. You can input the code here and claim the voucher. Now, so it's very easy. So what we can do is, if you want to claim your voucher, you just have to click on this icon at the top right corner. Then you can see we have claim voucher there. So here we need this voucher. So with this voucher, you need to first fill this form, which I will leave in the description. You need to input your Telegram username, input your Discord username, input your email account, and then you need to subscribe. You need to make sure you followed Node Wars. Okay, Node Wars is a NodePay game, so you need to make sure you follow them. So I've joined the group. Okay, so after joining the group, what you have to do is they'll give me a code, which is here. Alright, so there's a code that they've given me. So what I need to do is I'll use my snipping tool on my desktop to take a screenshot of it. If you're using a mobile phone, it's very easy. You can also take a screenshot of it because you'll be sending them the screenshots. I'll go ahead and save it to my desktop, and then I'll go back to the Google Forms and add the screenshots. Alright, I need to upload the screenshots. It is I'll go to browse and then select my desktop, and it should be lying somewhere around here. Alright, I have it here, so open it up, and it's only 961 kilobyte. That means less than 1 megabyte. Alright, so now that we are done, this is the task 2. It says join the wars. Okay, and you need to click on play, go to friends tab, and find your unique referral code. Copy and paste the code below to complete the trial and claim your voucher. Okay, your voucher. So I'll go and open Node Wars this time around, not the community but the Node Wars itself. I'll click on start, I'll play the game, launch the game. It works the same as the mobile version, so we don't say because I'm on PC you are confused. Don't be confused. You can do the same thing on mobile. So once you're done with that, the game is coming very soon. So it says we should find our youth referral link. So I'll go to friends, and then I'll copy my referral link, and then head back to my Google Forms. And paste my referral link there. Now you can decide for them to send you a copy of the response, and then click on submit. Immediately you submit it, you can see they say here is your voucher code for completing the form. So you just go ahead and copy it in. Alright, so after claiming the points, you need to do this right there. So that's how you get more points in NodePay. Okay, you can just turn on your internet connection and then you gain more points, or doing what I'm doing. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you next time.